Welcome back to another unboxing. Mail just arrived and today we got the Air75 by NuPhy. So to start with a new keyboard, I thought I also needed a new mousepad, or should I say deskpad. I got a 900 by 400mm mousepad from Alpha Unlimited. I went with a plain white design since I thought I needed this for shooting better videos or photos at least. They do have a lot of unique designs that were really tempting, but I'm gonna save those for other days. I just hope they won't go out of stock because they're really in demand, so if you want to check them out, I'll make sure to drop a link on the description below. Got this on their website along with the NuFolio version 2, which is a portable case for the Air75. I've also seen this in Shopee lately, but you're going to have to take a risk on that if you want. But first things first, can I just show you how this looks so amazing with the packaging? It's so clean and sexy, I'd complain if the box had a dent. Once opened, a set of stickers along with a quick guide will be accessible right away. I'm not really one to read manuals or guides, but this one is different and here's why. The quick guide felt like something that was pulled out from a magazine. The instructions were very straightforward and it's just so easy to understand at first glance. Turning to the back of the quick guide, it already looked like a Japanese poster which does explain the texture of the paper. At first I thought this character was just random, but now I think this is their anime inspired character for their brand. Got the Air75 on another plastic wrap, but I'll go ahead and check the accessories first. The portability of the Air75 was the selling point for me. It's very lightweight, has a folio case, and of course wireless connectivity, making this a good everyday carry keyboard. The Coast keycaps are the thinnest PBT keycaps as per NuPhy. Aside from better durability, the dye sublimation on these keycaps are good, since this also reduces unwanted shine on the keycaps over time. This here is the NuFolio version 2, a foldable case by NuPhy. I heard the case came free for a limited time when they released the Air75, but on my end I had to purchase this separately for just $19. The foldable case doesn't only protect the keyboard but can also become a stand that can support a tablet and phone. There is also a magnet at the bottom of the case that can attach to a metal plate at the back of the keyboard. So yep, this is me trying to figure it out, then I'll be grabbing dinner in a bit and we'll be back with more specs from the keyboard. Just wanted to say thanks for staying till this part of the video, so I'll be using this chance to say hi. If you have any suggestions or anything, please leave a comment below. But again, I'm all new to this hobby and it's definitely a whole new rabbit hole, so maybe also have some recommendations for me. I'd really appreciate that. And before we get back to the keyboard, please don't forget to subscribe and get notified for my upcoming videos. So going back to the keyboard, because it's wireless, it has a built-in battery of 2500 mAh, which can last up to 48 hours of continuous use. I chose the Gateron brown switch because I'll be carrying this to the office or cafes, and I didn't want to go with a switch that would be producing too much noise, so the brown tactile switch was the best choice for me. I wasn't able to turn on the side lights on the keyboard, but normally it would indicate if I'm connected through Bluetooth, a USB receiver, or if I'm just using the cable. The keyboard is compatible with iOS and Android. The multiple options to connect to 4 different devices also made it seamless when switching to my laptop, the USB receiver, and tablet. The backlight for the keyboard can be turned on by pressing on the FN key plus the arrow keys for control. Using the up arrow key will increase brightness of the backlight, right arrow key will change the color, and left arrow key will change the backlight mode with 21 options to choose from. The left side light can also be used as a battery indicator, and to do that we just need to hold backslash key instead of the arrow keys, with also an option to lock the indicator. At the back of the case we have the rubber feet, and inside is also a small metal where we can attach our magnetic foot to raise the keyboard. That's all for today's video, and thanks again for staying with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.